I've seen her home.
Quand on te jette
That's number one. Number two,
I gave her ulcer.
you are giving her ulcer.
I poisoned her. Her stomach is destroyed.
Destroy her
I want
stomach.
her to
Et-
die.
Your father's spirit is in you.
l'esprit de ton père est en toi.
Now,
Maintenant,
come out.
il doit sortir
For she belongs to God.
parce qu'elle appartient à Dieu.
Not to you, you the evil man.
À toi,
Fire!
ton maléfique. Feu!
Fire!
Feu!
Fire!
Feu!
Why do you hate her?
Pourquoi
I
tu
don't
la
like
détestes?
Huh?
I don't like her.
You
Je
don't like
l'aime
her.
pas.
Is she your daughter?
Est-ce qu'elle est ta fille?
Yes.
She's
Oui.
your daughter.
Just let her be.
You have done what?
You have done enough.
I have done
Tu as
enough.
déjà fait
What have I
assez.
done that is enough?
Qu'est-ce que j'ai déjà fait qui est
You have
assez?
destroyed enough. You have destroyed
Qu'est-ce que
enough.
j'ai fait? Tu
I
as
have
déjà trop
destroyed
détruit.
enough.
Tu as déjà détruit assez.
What have I destroyed?
Qu'est-ce que j'ai détruit?
There are many of us in her, but you destroy some of it.
Nous étions nombreux en elle et tu as détruit certains parmi nous.
I don't know why she came here. It's
Je ne
because
sais pas
she's
pourquoi elle est
stubborn.
venue ici.
You don't know why she came here.
Yes.
Je ne sais pas pourquoi elle est venue
Was
ici.
she not to come here?
Elle ne devait pas venir ici.
It's because of her stubbornness that she came.
C'est à cause de sa têtutesse qu'elle est venue.
Okay, it's because of her stubbornness that she came here.
Parce qu'elle est têtue qu'elle est venue.
So, you never wanted her to come here.
Alors tu ne voulais pas qu'elle vienne ici.
Yes.
What is here that you don't like?
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a ici que tu n'aimes pas?
The fire here is too much.
Le feu qui ne
Hein?
brûle.
Why do you want her to succeed?
Pourquoi est-ce que tu veux qu'elle réussisse?
Why do I want her to succeed?
Pourquoi est-ce que je veux qu'elle
My
réussisse?
master want her to succeed.
Mon maître veut qu'elle réussisse.
But she will not.
Mais elle ne réussira pas.
Says who?
Qui le dit?
Me.
Where is your kingdom?
Où est ton royaume?
It's in our compound.
C'est dans notre
Your kingdom
conception.
is in your compound.
Dans votre conception, dis à haute voix.
Yes.
Oui.
How many of you were in her?
Vous étiez combien en elle?
Ah, we are new.
Nous étions nombreux, hein?
There's a lady that left Nigeria to come here.
C'est la dame qui a quitté du Nigeria pour venir ici.
She has been here
Elle était
for
ici
prayers.
pour la prière.
You can't leave far to come here and go back the same.
Tu ne peux pas quitter de loin. Tu viens ici
God of
et
Jacob will
tu
take
restes le
good
même.
care of you.
Le Dieu de Técom va prendre soin de toi.
You cannot do anything.
I
Tu ne
cannot
peux
do
rien
anything.
faire.
You are very correct.
Tu es correct.
I, as a human, I cannot do anything.
Moi, en tant qu'humain, je ne peux rien
He
faire.
that lives in me can do all things.
Mais celui qui vit en moi peut tout faire.
She has a lot of good things in her that I don't want her to ruin.
Elle a beaucoup de bonnes choses en elle que je ne veux pas qu'elle...
She have a lot of good
She's
things.
the only one that can raise the flag of her family. I don't want
Elle
to.
est-
So she's the only that can raise a flag in her family.
Alors, c'est la seule qui peut...
They will remain poor.
Huh?
They will remain poor.
They will remain poor.
Ils vont demeurer pauvres.
Why do you want them to be rich?
Pourquoi est-ce que tu veux qu'ils soient riches?
Jesus wants them to be
C'est
rich.
Jésus qui veut qu'ils soient riches.
Do I know your family?
Est-ce que je connais leur famille?
Huh? I'm not part of your family.
Est-ce qu'elle fait partie de votre famille?
They will not be rich.
They will not be rich.
No matter what you do.
Ils ne seront pas riches, peu importe ce que tu vas faire.
People that are still alive in her. Who are you?
Ceux qui sont encore vivants en elle, qui sommes-vous?
I'm the owner of her life.
Je suis...
By name.
C'est moi qui possède sa vie.
I never liked when they married her mother.
Huh? You never like
When they married her mother.
when they marry her brother,
Mother.
her mother.
Je n'ai pas aimé quand on a épousé sa maman.
Why were you standing against the marriage?
Pourquoi est-ce que tu étais contre ce mariage?
I just hate her.
You hate her.
Parce que je la déteste.
I hated her father.
J'ai détesté son papa.
You hated her father.
Tu as détesté son papa.
And what happened?
Et qu'est-ce qui s'est passé?
My son wanted to marry her daughter. So I
Mo-
never wanted it.
Mon fils voulait épouser sa fille et il n'a pas
So,
voulu.
your son wants to marry the daughter of this woman.
Ton fils voulait épouser la fille de cet homme.
What have you destroyed?
Car tu
The
détruis
family.
dans cette famille.
Do you think she will ever succeed? She will not.
You are speaking while you are under my captivity.
Tu es sous
No
ma
matter what she will
captivité.
do,
Huh?
no matter what she will do,
Peu importe ce que tu vas
she will
faire,
not succeed.
tu ne vas pas
What
réussir.
have you done to her
Qu'as-tu
personally?
fait contre
I'm
elle
tired.
personnellement?
Hein?
I'm
Je
tired.
l'ai attachée.
Where have you tied her? And why have you tied her?
Où et pourquoi l'as-tu
Cover
attachée?
her face. No matter what she will do, she will
You
never
have
succeed.
covered her
J'ai
face.
couvert son visage.
Then what should happen?
Peu importe ce qu'elle
Nothing
fait.
will locate her.
Rien ne va marcher en elle.
Nothing good will locate her.
Nobody
Rien
comes here and go back the same.
Rien de bon ne va la localiser.
You thought you could hide, and you see they cannot hide to this hour.
I
Tu
even want
pensais
her
que
not
tu
to
pouvais te
come to
cacher.
church today.
Eh?
I want her not to come today.
Je voulais
You
pas
want
qu'elle
Anna to
vienne
come
aujourd'hui.
today?
I even made her to be sick so that she will be lazy not to come today.
J'ai même fait qu'elle soit
Ah, voilà,
malade
peu.
pour qu'elle ne vienne pas à
I don't
l'église.
know, she's
aujourd'hui.
stubborn.
Elle est
She's
têtue.
stubborn. So you knew that you would be captured today.
Tu savais que tu devais être capturé aujourd'hui.
I knew that today will be stronger.
Eh? That you will be stronger.
Yes.
That's why you wanted her to remain in the house.
C'est pour ça que
in
tu
the
voulais qu'elle
hotel.
reste à la maison.
Yes.
Now that she is here now,
Maintenant qu'elle est ici maintenant,
We'll go and hide.
you will go and hide.
tu vas aller me cacher.
Where?
Où?
Where you will not find us.
Où tu ne vas pas nous trouver.
What have you done to our finances?
Qu'as-tu fait contre ses finances?
That one a story, no?
That one
C'est
is
ce que j'ai
gone.
voulu. Voler.
Concerning our marital
No
life.
matter how money she will touch money, she will never do anything good with that
Peu
money.
importe
She will share your money like that to people.
le
but she
montant
won't do
d'argent qu'elle va
anything
toucher, elle va
with
rien
that
faire
money.
avec. Elle va partager, distribuer aux gens comme ça.
You spirit of a stepmother.
Toi, esprit de la belle-mère,
Are you not seeing that you have done a lot of destruction in the family?
est-ce que tu ne vois pas que tu as fait
Why
beaucoup
did
de
her
destruction
mother
dans cette
refuse me
famille?
not to marry the husband?
Pourquoi est-ce que son papa a refusé que je n'épouse pas son mari?
She was against me to marry the husband. Why?
Pourquoi?
Why
Since
were
I-
you coming
since
to
I got
stop
married.
her marriage?
But I succeeded now
How do you succeed in marrying the husband?
Comment est-ce que tu as
because I
réussi?
got married to the husband.
Parce que je me suis marié à son mari.
Marriage is
Since I got
single.
married, why they did not give birth to her?
Marriage is
I decided to
monogamy.
enter in her since she was a child.
Marriage is monogamy. Where are you coming with polygamy spirit?
Le mariage est monogamie. D'où viens-tu avec la polygamie?
I love the husband.
J'aimais son mari.
You are a snatcher.
Tu es une voleuse.
I came there for a purpose.
You came there for a purpose.
Tu
And what is the
je
purpose?
suis venu pour un but.
I came to destroy her family. Now.
Quel but? Je suis venu pour la détruire.
And you think that your own
That's
family
why
will be fine.
her mother is suffering to today.
C'est pour ça que
your
sa
own
maman
family will
souffre
free.
jusqu'aujourd'hui.
Even if they are not free, they should both suffer.
They should both suffer.
I'm enjoying where I am.
Everything you have done to this family is going to come back to you and
Je
your
me
own
réjouis
family.
là où je suis. Tout ce que tu as fait contre cette famille va se retourner contre toi et ta famille.
What have you put in our system?
Qu'as-tu mis dans son système?
What have you put in our system?
Qu'as-tu mis dans son système?
She will never give birth.
Elle ne va jamais accoucher.
She will never give birth.
Elle ne va jamais accoucher.
Huh?
Hein?
What sickness have you deposited in her?
Quelle maladie est-ce que tu as mis en elle?
She have a lot in her.
Eh?
She have a lot in her.
A lot in her.
Elle a beaucoup de
Number
maladies
one.
en elle.
Come to a lot.
I've seen her womb.
Quand on te jette
That's number one. Number two.
ses entrailles. Numéro 2.
I gave her ulcer.
You are giving her ulcer.
Je lui ai donné
That
l'ulcère.
strong one.
That strong one.
No matter
L'ulcère
what,
fort.
it will remain there.
Eh?
Yes,
No matter what,
it will remain
it
there.
will remain there.
Peu importe ce que tu fais, je
To
vais
your
rester là.
greatest disappointment, she's going to be cleansed now.
À ta grande déception, elle sera purifiée maintenant.
Number 3.
Numéro 3.
I poison her.
Je l'ai empoisonné.
I poison her.
Je l'ai
Her
empoisonné.
Poison her.
stomach is destroyed. Her stomach is destroyed.
Son ventre est détruit.
You poison her.
Yes.
Tu l'as
And the
empoisonné.
poison has destroyed her
I want
stomach.
her to
Et-
die.
Je voulais qu'elle
But her
meure.
spirit is too strong.
Mais son esprit est très fort.
Her spirit is too strong.
Son esprit est très fort.
You have tried to kill her.
But
Tu as
she's
essayé, tu as voulu la détruire.
How were you planning to kill her?
Comment est-ce que tu
I've
planifiais
tried
la
every
tuer?
means.
Never meant to kill her.
I even put accident. But
J'ai
she
même-
still survived.
Mis l'accident, mais elle a
I poisoned
survécu.
her. She still survived. I don't know.
Je l'ai empoisonnée, elle a survécu.
She is
Je sais
a
pas.
covenant child.
Elle est une fille, un enfant d'alliance.
But their family will never be rich.
Mais
No
sa
matter
famille ne
what
sera
it-
jamais riche.
Once she is set free, the whole family will be set
Quand elle sera
free.
libre, sa famille sera
You know
libre.
that your charms has expiring dates.
Tu sais que ton charme
And
a
today
une
is the
date
day of the
d'expiration.
expiring of your
Et
charms.
aujourd'hui, c'est le jour de l'expiation de ce charme.
You made a better mistake by allowing her to leave Nigeria and come here.
Tu as fait la plus grande erreur de la laisser de quitter du Nigeria
Were you
pour
aware
arriver
that she's
ici.
coming here?
Est-ce que tu savais qu'elle venait ici?
Where she was coming for me to accomplish my mission.
Okay, you knew that she was
I
going
was
to
there in
accomplish.
Nigeria. It was too far for me.
Je savais qu'elle venait pour que j'accomplisse ma mission parce qu'au Nigeria, c'était un peu plus loin pour moi.
There were people there protecting her. So
Il y avait des
it
gens
was
là-bas qui la
difficult.
protégeaient.
So when I heard that she was coming, I saw it as an opportunity
Alors quand j'ai entendu qu'elle venait, j'ai
to accomplish
vu
my mission.
comme une opportunité pour accomplir ma mission.
You say your kingdom is in the village.
Je dis que ton royaume est au village.
Huh?
Ah.
Yes,
Oui.
Who are
my
you?
father's compound.
Qui es-tu? Dans
Où
la
are you?
maison paternelle. Qui es-tu?
I'm the king.
Ah, je suis un roi.
You are the king.
Tu es un roi.
How many
Un
powers
roi.
do you have as a
Tu
king?
as combien de pouvoir en tant que roi?
It's much.
It's much.
C'est beaucoup.
How many people have you destroyed?
Tu as déjà détruit combien de personnes?
You have destroyed a lot.
Through
À
her.
travers d'elle, j'ai
You
détruit
have
beaucoup.
destroyed a lot.
None
Tu
of
as
our
détruit
brothers
beaucoup.
will succeed. I've destroyed all of them. I've taken all of their destinies.
Je
You
les
have
ai
taken
détruits
all their
tous.
destinies.
J'ai pris toute leur destinée.
How?
They're under my captive.
They're all in your captivity.
All the
Ils sont
money they are
tous
working, I'm
sous
the
sa
one enjoying
captivité.
it.
How are you enjoying the money?
It's coming to my kingdom now.
What's up with your legs?
Qu'est-ce qui se passe
Fire.
avec tes pieds?
Huh? What's up with your legs?
Qu'est-ce qui se passe avec tes
It's
pieds?
burning.
It's burning.
Ça brûle.
Now remove all the sickness you are putting
Maintenant,
on.
enlève toutes les maladies que tu as mis en elle.
Remove all the sickness, the
Enlève les
poison,
maladies,
everything you
les
are putting
poisons,
on.
tout
Remove
ce que
it.
tu as mis en elle.
Remove everything in her womb now.
Enlève tout ce que tu as mis dans
Remove
sa
it.
vie maintenant. Enlève tout.
Remove everything.
Enlève tout.
I'll put it back.
Huh?
I'll
Je
put
vais
it
encore tout remettre.
Are you thinking that you will be alive again?
Tu penses que tu
you are
seras encore
removing, you will
vivant.
die.
Parce que pendant que tu vas enlever, tu vas
You
mourir.
must die for this family to rise.
Tu vas mourir pour que cette famille se
That
lève.
marks an end of your living on earth.
Ceci
And
marque
in
la
the
fin de
spiritual
ta
realm.
vie sur
Remove
terre.
it.
Spirituellement.
Remove the ulcer.
Enlève l'ulcère.
Remove the poison and the ulcer.
Enlève le
Everything.
poison.
Remove it.
Enlève tout.
Release all their finances.
Relâche toutes ses finances.
Release all their finances now.
Relâche ses finances maintenant.
And their staff
Et son étoile
under your keeping.
que tu as eu à garder.
Restore them back.
Restaure tout.
On your knees.
À genoux.
On your knees.
À genoux.
1,
1,
2,
2.
hands up.
Les mains en l'air.
Today
Aujourd'hui
marks an end
marque la fin
of her freedom and that of her family.
de sa liberté et celle de sa famille.
Jesus' name.
Au nom de Jésus.